Hey everyone, welcome back to Landvik. Today, we're tackling one of the most important steps when you get a brand new device, protecting that display. This is the iPhone 17 Pro, and while Apple's ceramic shield has come a long way, it's still a magnet for two things: micro scratches and fingerprints. We've been on the hunt for a screen protector that doesn't just protect the glass, but actually changes the experience of using the phone. That's why we're looking at this two-pack of matte-tempered glass screen protectors from Mothka. We've used their products in the past, but we're curious to see how their latest version holds up on this specific display. If you've ever envied that high-end, anti-reflective look on Samsung's latest flagships, you're going to want to see this. Right off the bat, the value here is solid. You're getting a two-pack of the matte glass, which is essential because, let's be honest, we don't always get the installation perfect on the first try. Or you have a spare for a few months down the line. Inside, you've got the full kit: wet wipes, microfibers, and dust removal stickers. But the real MVP here is the alignment frame. For an installation like this, having a plastic guide that snaps onto the phone makes a world of difference. Mothka also includes camera lens protectors in some of these kits, which is a nice peace of mind bonus for those massive 17 Pro camera islands. Now, let's get this installed. The key to a bubble-free finish is all in the prep work. You want to be aggressive with that dust sticker. Even one tiny speck will haunt you. Once the screen is pristine, you just drop the alignment tool on and lay the glass down. You'll notice the Mothka glass has these slightly rounded 2.5D edges. It's not just a flat slab. It tapers off so it doesn't feel sharp when you're using swipe-to-back gestures. As the adhesive spreads, you might see a few air pockets, but they usually push out to the edges pretty easily with a bit of pressure. What we love about this specific glass is that it's 9H tempered glass, but it's etched, not just a cheap spray-on coating. That means the matte finish isn't going to wear off or become shiny in the spots where you scroll the most. The finish completely transforms the aesthetic of the iPhone. It gives the screen this sophisticated, frosted look that reminds me so much of the Ultra series displays from Samsung. It's incredibly sleek. But the real magic is in the feel. Mothka calls this smooth as silk, and it's not an exaggeration. There is significantly less friction when you're gaming or scrolling through long feeds. If you're someone who deals with sticky fingers or just hates that tacky feeling of glossy glass, this is a game changer. And check this out: fingerprints, or rather, the lack of them. The oleophobic coating combined with the matte etching makes this highly resistant to smudges. You won't find yourself constantly wiping your phone on your shirt throughout the day. One thing that isn't talked about enough with matte protectors is the benefit for your eyes. Because it diffuses light rather than reflecting it like a mirror, it dramatically reduces glare. If you have astigmatism or find yourself squinting under overhead office lights or out in the sun, this makes the display so much more legible and comfortable for long sessions. Before we see the final boot up, if you're finding this helpful, definitely hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot more iPhone accessory coverage coming up you won't want to miss. As the phone boots up, you can see that we haven't lost the vibrancy of the OLED panel. Some cheap matte protectors make the screen look grainy or rainbowed, but this etched glass maintains a high level of clarity. Overall, for the price, the ease of that frame-guided installation, and the luxurious texture, this is an easy recommendation. It's a small investment to keep a very expensive phone looking and feeling brand new. The links will be in the description below if you want to grab a pack for yourself. Those are affiliate links, so they help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.